Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to do the monthly unboxing of the Glossybox, and this month it's a bit special because we have the Glossy Spa. So spa means usually fragrance, and you know your girl is really in love with fragrance at the moment, so yeah. If you're interested what kind of products you might find in the September Glossybox or in the Glossybox subscription in general, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Hey, welcome back. My name is Andrea. I'm doing makeup and beauty videos here on YouTube, so if that sounds like your kind of jazz, then stick around. I would kindly suggest to subscribe down below, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also join me on Instagram at amewnition. Yay! So, as I quickly mentioned in the intro, we are doing the unboxing of the Glossy Spa. So that sounds relaxing as hell. Usually anything makeup related, it's very relaxing, you know, but this one is a bit extra. So if we open it, this is the interior. So a bunch of really great stuff. This month we don't have like the leaflet with the products. For some reason they forgot to add it in, I guess. So what we have is a digital version of it. So what we have in this month are 5 products. And then I think we have something sweet as well. So let's get right in. Okay, the first item that I'm picking out here is the Minetan Body Skin Cofee Scrub, which looks very good. And this is basically how the scrub packaging looks like. It's very nice and pink, and I absolutely love how this looks out. I know this is cringe, but this month is like a spa box, so we really need to feel the fragrances. Therefore, I'm opening it up and give it a sniff, like I usually do with things. That's what she said. Okay, so this definitely smells like coffee. Next item we have here is a Imperial Leather Foam Burst Shower Cream. So this is not the first time we are having this little guy in the glossy boxes. However, this is a very useful guy if you are traveling or you're just gonna go into a trip and you need a mini sample of a shower cream. Which is lovely because also this has coconut in it, and I cannot tell you how good this smells. Also, this little guy retails for £2 and then the full size retails for £3, which for the quality of it, it's very good. Next up in the box, we have an AVANT skincare item, which is one of the most expensive items in this box, and I always appreciate the AVANT products in the glossy boxes. They're so expensive and so good. Also, they smell so good as well. Perfect. So this is a Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Antioxidizing Duo Moisturizer. Wow, that's a mouthful. The most amazing thing is the retail price, because this guy retails for £89. And yeah, that was £89. Okay, coming back to it, the next item we have is actually, I think, a bonus of this month because it's not put into the leaflet or the digital leaflet. Hey, we are going digital here. That's really acceptable. That's fine. But we do have a chocolate, which is another really good stuff. Like, could you imagine yourself in a bath with loads of bubbles around you? You just put that AVANT skincare on you, which smells incredible. And then you just lathered yourself with that Imperial Leather shower cream. And then you move on to scrub yourself with that Cofee Scrub, after which you just prize yourself with a chocolate. I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do after this. Next item that we have is a AMELIORATE Smooth Skin Science Intensive Skin Therapy. This is an intensive skin therapy, that's actually the name of the product, with alpha hydroxy therapy. I have no idea what that means. So apparently it's a skin hydration complex with lactic acid, almond oil and shea butter. I can see some very thick cream, but I can feel like it's very hydrating. Like it leaves your skin like so plump. Oh, it smells so freaking good. Okay, now the very last item that we have is actually a surprise, and I know that Glossybox has some sort of dealing with Huda Beauty cosmetics usually, but this time we have like a product from their new skincare line, which further proves my point, like they have something going on in business with them. Yeah. So this is a WHISHFUL Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub, which sounds mighty fine. So this month, not only we had a scrub for the body, we also have a scrub for the face. In case you didn't know, the scrub that you use on your body, you are not supposed to use it on your face. Please don't. It's way too abrasive to put it on your face. Get one of these. Should be fine. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's very nice and bright and very like cheery, if that's a thing. So this scrub also has pineapple enzyme, papaya enzyme, AHAs and BHAs, which is a very good sign for a scrub. But that pineapple and papaya makes me think this is going to smell tropical. And actually the full size retails for £34, which is quite up there with the price, I'm not gonna lie, for a scrub. But we need to test it by sniffing it, because it's a spamant. Okay, so I think that was everything that was in this month's box, and I have to say I cannot wait to finish filming today so I can go and have a relaxing Saturday night, because it's Saturday. I'm filming this and, you know, planning content and stuff. So, let me know what you think about this month's box in the comment section down below. I really love to know your opinions, you guys, and I really love responding to you guys. So, thank you for always leaving me some comments. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you found it useful. In case you are considering to get the Glossybox subscription, then I would recommend it. So if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also join me on Instagram at amewnition. There you're gonna find content that you're not gonna see here on YouTube. So until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!